everyone! Welcome to the Rolla Public Library Storytime. I'm Miss Tara. Thank you for being here. Alright, let's sing our friends song. Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends. It's time to say hello. Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends. It's time to say hello. Yay! Okay, let's get out the magic storytime bag. Wake up, magic storytime bag! Magic storytime bag. Magic storytime bag. What is today's story? What are the clues? Oh, it's a red ball. Huh. I wonder what that has to do with our story. Well, I don't see a red ball on here. Do you? I see a cat and a dog. In fact, this book is called Cat Dog, and it's by Mem Fox and Mark Teague. Well, keep your eyes open for that red ball. It'll show up in the story somewhere. Right. This is the title page, Cat Dog. And we have a cat, a dog, and a mouse. And they're on a couch. Oh my goodness. Okay, I hope you have your eyes for watching and your ears for listening. 'Cause, do you see the red ball? Is it over here? Is it over here? And I see a big bulldog with a spiked collar. Can you see the kitty cat peeking over the book? So, there was a scary dog, right? No! But there was a cat, right? What do you think? Yes or no? Yes. And the dog was wide awake, right? Does that dog look wide awake? And look, there's the ball. Okay, and the dog was wide awake, right? No! So actually, the dog was asleep, but the cat saw a mouse, right? Yes! And that mouse is doing a dance. And the dog knew something was up, right? No, because that dog was sleeping. But the cat crept across the floor, right? Yes. And the dog opened one eye, right? No! The dog stayed asleep. But the cat skittered after the mouse, right? Yes! And the dog leapt off the couch, right? No, the dog stayed asleep. Now, can you answer this question? Is it going to be yes or no? But the cat skidded into the wall, right? Yes! And now can you get this question right about the story? And the dog still did nothing, right? The dog still did nothing, right? Not sure here. The dog is awake, but it's kind of like, I don't know if I'm going to get down. No! The dog woke up and barked and barked. Finally. And the cat and the dog lay side by side with their noses in the mouse hole. Right? Yes! And then the mouse came out to say hi. Right? Do you think the mouse would come out to say hi to the cat and the dog staring at his house? I'm not sure if you can see it, but that mouse is holding a violin or a fiddle. So, and then the mouse came out to say hi, right? What do you think? Oh, this part you get to use your imagination. So, do you think, like this picture shows, the mouse came out with their violin, or what do you think happened? Well, have fun using your imagination. And if you get permission, you can tell everyone on Facebook what you think happened next, or you're welcome to visit the library and tell me what you think happened next. Now, we have something exciting coming up this summer, and that's our summer reading program. It's called Oceans of Possibility. So it's going to be all about the ocean and different creatures. You'll get to start signing up in May. Well, I will see you next time, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye!